report type. Okay, what is a report type? We just saw a report type. While creating the report, we saw a report type, right? So report type basically defines which object you want to use in the report. Yes? That is what we saw? For report. The moment you click on new report, it takes you to the list of report types. Which object you want to use on the what do you call for the report, right? So you will see that there is a list of report types which we already have, right? In addition to these report types, you can create your own report type as well. Okay. Let's say I want to create a report type where I want to allow account and opportunity object. So I want to create a report in which I want to use fields from account as well as opportunity. So as of now, I do not find any report type which allows me to bring fields from account as well as opportunity. So if it is not there, I have a report type which can bring contacts and accounts, but I do not have a report type which can bring account and opportunity. So this way I can have any requirement, right? So if I have that requirement and I do not see the report type available there, then what I will have to do? I'll have to create a custom report type. How is a custom report type created? So let's create a custom report type for account and opportunity. How do we do that? Go to setup. Go to create, under setup go to create and then click on report types. So we'll go and say new custom report type. Okay. So in report type, I want to create a report type for account and opportunity, right? So out of account and opportunity, which is the primary object? Account, which is the parent. Account is the parent. So as primary object, I'll select account. Give a label and name to your report type, account and opportunity. Give any description here. This report type is used for creating reports for accounts and opportunities. Okay, and under which category you want to save this report type? Label is something which is visible to the end users, and name is the actual name. The label is more like our nickname, and name is the actual name on our identity card. Under which category you want to save it? I want to save it under opportunities. So you have the option of saving it under accounts or contacts, or you can save it under opportunities or any other category. I'll put it under opportunities category and make it deployed. Click on next. So primary object we have selected account. One more object that I want to be involved in this report type is opportunity. So I can click and add one more object. The next object will be opportunity. Okay, so I want these two objects to be there in my report. Okay, so I create a report type, I select a primary object, I select a second object, and I click on save. So now what I have done, I have created a report type which will allow me to create a report using fields from account as well as opportunity. So same report I can use the fields from account as well as opportunity, right? The moment a report type is created, you will see that fields available for this report are 49 fields from account and 32 fields from opportunity. So 82 fields will be available for this report. When you select this report type, you will be just scroll down. Okay. Can see that? Right. So we have 82 fields available for this. So in the last report, it was only for accounts. So what we saw that only accounts field were available there. But this report type will allow me to use fields from accounts as well as opportunity. So I'll have a choice of 82 fields in that report type. So this report type is ready. Now if I have to use this report type, I just need to go to the reports and then click on new report. Where did I save this report type? Under accounts and contacts or under opportunities? We saved it under opportunities. So we will go and open the opportunities thing, and there you will see that there is this report type account and opportunity that you created. Comes up here. You can just select this one and then go and click on create. Now the report that you're going to create will have 82 fields, 49 from account and 32 from opportunity. So by default, Salesforce gives you a list of report types, but if you still need something extra or your customized report type, so see, this is a report where account name, opportunity name, both the things are coming together. Right? And no, I mean you have the option of bringing opportunity name as well as account name on the same report. I mean you have all those fields in the left hand side, right?
Here we have in the preview section only.
Preview section, drag and put it there, whatever fields you need. By default, they have given just 2 fields. They do not know what fields you will need. So if you need, you have the option. See, on the left hand side, earlier what we just had the account fields. Now we have opportunity fields also. If you need opportunity amount also to be here, drag and put it here. Now what does this allow you to do? It allows you to do summary based on account also. Like for this express logistic, if you see, there are 3 opportunities. Right. Now there is a certain amount related to it. If you create a summary report, an account name, then it can give you a summary of what is the total revenue that you have generated from a particular account. For University United Oil and Gas Corp, there are so many opportunities, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do a summary here. Earlier we were just doing a summary matrix, everything on the account object only, but here we can summarize on a related object as well. Clear on this?
Yep.
Suvajit, you have a question here?
No, I don't. Yeah, I'm clear.
Report type is clear, right? Okay.
Yes.
So I'll just, we'll just work on the previous assignment of the gift box business. I just want you guys to do one more thing. Today, since we have talked about reporting, the other customization part is not, it's something which is not that much can be used on that application. But for the reports, I want you to come up with a list, because a client has given us their requirement in one paragraph, right? Now I want you to think of a few reports that you feel are important for the client, which can be given to them. If those will be a scheduled report or those can be a one-time report. So any reports, I would rather suggest think of scheduled reports and dashboards. So what sort of a report or dashboard you will recommend to the client for that particular application design, gift box business, which can give them some more insight regarding their whatever they want to understand, the boxes which are selling, the samples which are going, the visits. This will help you understand what sort of data model again you should have, right? So I want you to think a little on these lines as well for this week.
Okay.
Clear? Suvajit, okay with you?
Yeah.
So till last week we were talking about the data model part and all. So your assignment was to just think of the data model, which you are still doing. That's good. Whatever you guys have come up with, I like that part, but there are a few modifications or improvements which can be done there. We'll work on that. Second thing that I want you to do is think of the reports which can be created on that, and also think of the business logics which you think can be done. So don't create anything on the application. It will be good if we can create a list of those things. That okay, fine, I'll create a report of the sales every week and I'll send it to the sales manager, something like that. Try to take make assumptions wherever required. I have mentioned that in there. So try to make assumptions and think of what sort of reports can be required to help the management in that case. What sort of dashboard can be required. So that will help you understand the reports and dashboard concept a little better. Also try to think of a few business logics for those things. So what sort of validation should be put? What sort of workflows can be done? Right? What sort of approvals can be done? Let's say there is a process where if you want to give more than 5 sample pieces to anyone, you need an approval, for example. Or if you want to have a visit for more than 3 hours, you need an approval from the manager. Think of these things, right? So think, make assumptions and try to put these scenarios into that, right? Can be done. We can think of business logics and reporting requirements on our gift box application. Any challenge on that? Yes, no? Suvajit, hello?
No, I'm fine. What is it?
Right. Okay. So there are a few things that I would want you all to do.